done. But it had hanging on by like That was it.
It works. We have depth. Yay.
December 1775, the British issue forth out of their stockade, their fort, approximately 350 of them. And the first thing they do is replace the boards on the bridge that they had taken up. I should also mention that off to the Virginia left, these readouts over here are being manned by the Culpeper. In addition to having command of the 1st Regiment, had overall command of this small brigade of 2 regiments. Well, the leaders in Williamsburg understood full well.
Still on the Alligator River, going west and approaching a fixed bridge, which is North Carolina 94 on the Alligator River, North Carolina. It's been raining off and on, but the fog is now gone, which is great.
Universal fixer. The Jesus name.